This is the easiest way to prep a cradled panel so that your colours stay vibrant and your surface stays stable. Hi, I'm Jo Barnard, artist and founder of the Art Insiders, where I share projects, techniques and inspiration every month. Today I'd like to show you how to properly prep a wooden cradled panel for painting. We'll seal it with some acrylic medium and apply a couple of coats of gesso for a really smooth, durable surface. Let's get started. So here's what you'll need: a raw cradled wood panel. I have mine here from Jackson's Art. Acrylic medium, which could be matte gloss or gel. A wide flat brush, maybe 2 to 4 inches, an acrylic gesso and some sandpaper. Wood is a porous surface and can absorb moisture over time, so sealing with medium prevents warping and helps your gesso layer sit smoothly. I start by applying a thin, even coat of acrylic medium directly onto the raw wood, starting at the back and then turning over, covering the front and the sides with a thin layer. I leave it to dry, which doesn't take long at all. Once dry, I apply the first coat of gesso, starting in one direction, long strokes from top to bottom for a clean base. Time for a cup of tea while it dries. Once it's dry, I just give it a quick rub over with a light sandpaper and just wipe any dust off. Then I turn it 90 degrees and apply the second coat of gesso, so going in opposite directions to the first coat. This helps fill the texture and creates an even finish. Once it's fully dry, I might just give it a final light sanding, and there you have it, a nicely sealed, smooth and durable painting surface. If you found this video helpful, then do give it a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more tutorials like this. If you feel that you would like some support on your own art journey, then do check out my Art Insiders membership. The link is given in the description below, and so is a link for a mini art retreat that I've created for you. It's a couple of hours experience for free, so do check that out too. Thanks so much for watching. Take good care, and I'll see you in the next video.